In this video, I'll show you how to install and use a 100% completed Need for Speed Heat save game offline on PC to unlock all cores and progress instantly. Check my video description for this save game. Right click inside WinRAR and select open with WinRAR, and then go to documents and go to Need for Speed Heat save game. Just copy the save game and paste it in another location to take backup. Once you're done, open the save game and open Need for Speed save game. Delete this one and never save game. Drag and drop this save game inside. Now you can launch the game. Press the escape key to exit this garage and press enter to select day or night. And that's how you can install 100% save for NFS Most Wanted Heat. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.